upwards of 4 turbochargers on these guys. 6,000 pounds from those 30.5 big tires on the back. Hey, this is big time pulling.
Larry was happy with that run. The team out of Vine Grove, Kentucky, just south of the Louisville area, the extremely insane tractor. Now, fans, as we talked about, it sometimes makes for some pretty wild rides. As we get ready to go here with Brian Haug out of Centralia, Kansas, the Big Temptation. Running over there just outside of St. Louis here, I believe, coming up at the end of September. And Grayson's dad, Stan, they got a couple track pro mods that they've been running, and Brother Reese has been tuning in the other car. So a smaller pulling vehicle, so we got to have a smaller weight sled out there to stop these minis. As we've got on the light side, we've got the Brandon Phillips tractor.
Sounds like some gremlins crawled up in there. You'll see that.
These custom engines out there. And we saw this tractor last night make an outstanding run. Brandon Phillips here out of Vine Grove, Kentucky. Now this is the son to our current leader, Larry Phillips. As during the week, Brandon is project manager at the family's construction business down there in Vine Grove. Side, we got last night's winner, the Alter Ego out of Mount Vernon, Missouri, Brian Bowles, and it's a New Holland. Come on and get me if you can.
Yeah, and that was a pretty pass, all things considered, too. I can't find a single thing that I think Jeff is going to be upset with that. Let that motor sing to it, parked it on the side of the track where it belongs.
Now here is a team over on the Light Superstock side. They would like to get Redwood somewhere in these tractors, and they're hoping that they have sorted them out here for tonight's action. So Colt Whitworth from Northern Missouri, and the Midbuster. Come to the party here tonight, and that Alter Ego distance. Yeah, Colt, he's fired up, fans. Let's give a nice round of applause. He jumps up that tractor. Wow. The pride of... All right, fans, he had to go better than 320.89 over on the Light Superstock side.
Fighting an issue in that mini rod, but they kind of winked at me and they said, we think we've got it figured out. Man, does that look like they've got it figured out?
Absolutely. Now, we saw last night this tractor, the both times that it ran last night, we saw it make a hard pull to that left-hand side of the track. So no doubt they made some adjustments, and that tractor
well. Left foot up, right hand down, and where she goes, she goes. Hey, John Deere fans, what do you say? Let's get behind him right here. Put him first and second out there. Well, she tried to clear out, Dan.
And she lit. 55, laid down by Renee Theobald. 293.07 the distance, 293.07 for Tyler Slaw here tonight. As we start to wind down over there on the light super stock side, just a couple more tracks. Yeah, it's been quite a few years since we've seen a diesel tractor. I know years ago, Esmond Lane ran in the light super stock class, actually won a few events with that light super diesel tractor. Normally we see that tractor screaming down the track here tonight, the Detonator Black Key of Waiawega, Wisconsin. And looks like going to come up short here tonight, that Case International MX210. Well, fans, let's give a nice round of applause as that will conclude our light super stock class here tonight. So congratulations goes out to Cole Whitworth as he wins the class here at the Pullers Championship with a great run of 321.20. And we'll get our top 5 rundown here right away for you.